Welcome to ERPTREE. We are offering 100% job guarantee master program on Oracle Fusion Financials. When we talk about the duration, yes, you can complete the program within 2 months or 4 months. The guys who already completed the basic learning from ERPTREE videos or maybe from other institutes who completed basics, they can complete our program within 2 months. And who are new to Oracle Fusion Financials, for them, we are offering this program within 4 months. In first 2 months, they can complete the basics. In remaining 2 months, they can complete the advanced learning. So that's how we redesigned our 100% job guarantee master program on Fusion Financials within 2 months or within 4 months. Say, for example, you are new to Oracle Fusion Financials. You are in the different city, not in the Hyderabad. What you can do is you can complete the basic learning from your location. Say you are in Hyderabad. Yes, you can come to the floor. If you are not in Hyderabad, you can complete the basic learning from your place. Say you are in Bangalore. Complete basics from Bangalore itself and come to floor for advanced learning. The guys who are already working, even they will not have a big challenge to complete this program. They can take 2 months break in their current job. They can come down here and they'll be able to complete within 2 months. That's how we made this program as very flexible for the guys who are working and who cannot join this program because of time frame is different in the past, and who are thinking about long duration when you talk about 100% job guarantee program. So in past we are offering the same program within 7 months. We redesigned, but you don't miss anything. Everything you are going to learn, and we came up with a strategy which works for us. So contact our team to get more details about 2 months and 4 months program. You can choose what works for you. You don't need to wait, and you don't need to depend on 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, eight, or more than that.